Jai Hind students, this is video lecture for class 7th history and the chapter is 4th chapter. So Babur, the first Mughal emperor between 1526 to 30, succeeded the throne of Fargana in 1498 when he was only 12 years old. In only 12 years old, he became the king of Fargana. But he was forced to leave the ancestors' throne due to the invasions of another Mughal group, that was Uzbeks. So, by the interfering and pressure of Uzbeks, he had leave his kingdom. After years of wendings, he seized Kabul in 1504, from where he is in 1526 he defeated Sultan of Delhi, that was Ibrahim Lodi, and after defeating Ibrahim Lodi in Panipat, Babur captured the area of Delhi and Agra. So from here, the 1526, the story of Babur started in India. After 1526 to 1857, this time period is known as Mughal time period in India. About more than 400 years they had ruled in India. In our next page, there is some story of Babur is written, that Babur was ruled in India between 1526 to 1530. After it, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and other successors were ruled. However, Babur ruled only for 4 years in India, but he had defeated Ibrahim Lodi by the supports of his Afghan supporters in Panipat. Defeating after it, again he conducted war to Rana Sanga in 1526, and he had defeated Rajput rulers in Khanwa. After it, in 1528, he again defeated Rajputs at Chanderi and estimated control over Agra, Delhi before his death, and a huge central area was now under the control of Mughal Empire. His next successor was the Humayun. Humayun ruled 2 times in India between 1530 to 40 and in 1555 to 56. Here a gap of 15 years. In between this period, Sher Shah was started rule in India after defeating Humayun in Chausa and in Kannauj Bilgras. So, if we look at the history of Humayun divided his inheritance according to the will of his father, as his father demanded. He divided each province, each group to his brothers, just like Mirza, Kamran, Asgari and Himdar. These are his brothers. But Sher Shah had defeated him in Chausa and Kannauj. After it, he fled to Iran. But by the support of Iran Shah, who was Safavid Shah, he again returned to Delhi and captured his total area from Afghans. After a second battle of Panipat, which happened in 1556, which is not given. 1556, which happened between Akbar and Hemraj. However, mostly area was captured by Humayun at his time period by the support of Iran Shah, who was Safavid Shah.